Hello, my precious viewers. This is Joe France, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a low poly gun using only extrude mechanics of Blender. Yes, you'll just extrude stuff and shape the gun, and that's just it. Also, please enjoy, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much, and here it goes. So we begin by deleting the cube, adding some plane, and of course shaping the gun, adding some polygons, extruding and extruding and extruding. Yes, extruding another added vertices, and then this is where I make the trigger. Yes, I subdivide and left the trigger. Also, I deleted some vertices to form another vertices by pressing F. You can fill the vertices or empty vertices using F. So that's just a trick there, and that's how I did with the magazine. Kind of saved first and then extruded to add some with some height. I rotated the gun and then added some stuff, added some extra vertices for extra details, and extruded everything. I told you it's about extruding stuff, so it's not that gonna be detailed. It's just watching a low polygon form into its own natural shape. So then we add color. By adding color, you add material in the texture tab right below where I'm pressing right now. Yes, that's it. I downloaded textures from Google, so you can search any textures you want. If you want to have any, skins from the guns, like CS:GO or something, it doesn't matter. Just search it in Google. You can find so much. Some are paid though, so you might as well try the free ones if you're trying to start off with texturing in Blender. Also, I am planning to animate this gun at some point, so I added some extra bones in it. I'm not gonna explain much from the bone since I'm kinda new to bone animations and stuff, so I'm experimenting on it. But I'm gonna show you the progress after this, or after the video. Maybe I will post it sometime later. As you can see, you can distribute the power of the bones through weight paint and adding it on a vertex group so that the function it has will be divided. So here it is, a basic low poly rifle with low texture, stock texture, and basic lighting. This is what you get for practicing Blender in like a month. I've only started last month, so don't judge me, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. And also, I want to thank you guys for giving me 100 subs. I appreciate it so much, and as always, love y'all.